Guangzhou Xihe Software Technology Co., Ltd. was established in 2009. It is located in the beautiful Guangzhou Science and Technology Innovation Park in southern China. Covers an area of 20,000 square meters, is a high-tech enterprise. The company has the project development department, the business department, and customer service department, and other departments. The team works closely together and keep improving. At present, there are cotton candy machine, ice cream machine, pizza machine, and other intelligent equipment. Has national patents and CEISO 9001 and other national certification selling in more than 100 countries around the world. It has more than 10 years of experience in the research and development, production, sales, service, and other fields of intelligent equipment. Equipment through exquisite style design and innovative technology, precision machining, professional production. Strive to make every machine into a high standard of exquisite art. Our purpose is to make our customers have it easy to operate, maintain convenient, efficient, and high-quality equipment. Let you produce the greatest economic benefits in the operation. Your satisfaction is our biggest pursuit. The company supports both OEM and ODM orders. Provide personalized and customized solutions. Please join us. Start your career in smart devices. To bring you a continuous fat profit. We are the escort for you. We welcome you.